Hey guys! Welcome to Michelle channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make super simple hash brown. It's very tasty and super easy to make when you have only few ingredients at your home. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing, I'm gonna grab my Yukon Gold potato, but you can use any type of potato you want, and I'm gonna peel it. I only use one potato to make 4 to 5 hash brown. If you want more hash brown, you can add more potatoes. I suggest you can use Yukon Gold potato because it's super for mashing, roasting, and sauteing. After that, grab the box grater and grate them up. Be careful when you get close to the end of the potato, it's easy to skin your knuckles while grating. And also don't forget to clear out threads to prevent duplicates. Quickly rinse to get any residual starch off. Pick the shredded potato and then put into the bowl under a towel to dry them up. And then just squeeze it until all the water comes out. We want them to be nice and dry. Next, turn on the stove. Add the oil in the pan. Add potatoes. I'm just gonna fry this for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, put them in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Spices you need: 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion, lots of garlic. And I should mention I put salt in it. Last but not least, shredded cheese. And just mix them well. And here's the fun part. Grab a say kiwi size of a mixture and foam into a hash brown. When you're satisfied with the foam, fry it until the color turning brown. When the color already turning brown, we're about to finish. It looks so delicious. When it's done, plate them up. Line it with a paper towel. There you have it, homemade hash brown. Super easy to make, incredibly delicious, perfect for snack lunch. Thank you for watching. So if you want to know more about what I make in the upcoming videos, please subscribe down below. See you guys next time. Bye bye.